check that out. That is a picture for the ages right there. Absolutely love that. The big one on the dress taken. Obviously, that picture was taken in the 100-acre wood. Reese, I want you to enjoy your birthday party. I have a feeling I know what your theme is, kiddo. She's in Neo de Chez.
That is the cutest picture ever. I love that dress. Love it. All right, moving along, we've got Hudson Gabbert turning 2 years old. Another little cutie there in Moran, Kansas. Hudson, yeah, riding strong there.
You can start them young. There you go. Tesla Tinsley celebrating her 9th birthday. That's a get up as well. I love that scarf, Tesla. Nicely done. You're gonna need that if you step outside today, kiddo.
Somebody's already ready for St. Patrick's Day.
She's celebrating the big number 9 in Fort Scott.
All right, and we have Josie Johnson, the award-winning Josie Johnson in Fort Scott, turning 10 years old this year.
Warmer days on the softball field, Josie. I'm right with you on that. I love that. All right, Bryce Peterson, he is celebrating the big 2-0. As a matter of fact, yesterday, he was celebrating, and Bryce, these wishes come with love from Mom, Dad, Zaid, and Colton, and that woman with Bryce happens to be a very important member of his family and his life, as that is his grandmother, Susan Phelps. She turned 76 on Valentine's Day. So Bryce and Susan, a marvelous picture with the both of you, and a very happy birthday to the both of you as well.
Wonderful memories captured in that picture, I'm
that's
sure.
Great.
Yeah, I love that. That's wonderful. Let's see, Charity Hall turning 48 years old this year. Looking great there, Charity. She's in Pittsburgh.
We've got Debbie Castle. She is celebrating her 68th birthday. Oh, looks like we got a new addition to the Castle family as well. Right there at the bottom of the picture. So Debbie, a happy birthday and also a congratulations as she celebrates in Columbus.
All right, in Chinook, Kansas, Cirilla Cooper turning 73 years old. Happy birthday, Cirilla. Hope you have a wonderful day.
Now, Lloyd L Brady, he's in Neosho. And Lloyd is celebrating his 88th birthday. But I tell you what, we got a special birthday message coming all the way from the deep Southwest. So here we go. Lloyd, this is for you. Happy birthday, Dad. All the way from Arizona.
Aww.
That is great. Happy birthday, Mr. L Brady.
Great
Good picture out on the river, too.
In Galena, Cindy Carrier turning 45 years old this year. Roger Rush is celebrating down in Miami. And Andrea Scott, happy birthday to you and Scott.
Finish it off with birthday wishes going out to one Levi Whiting. Levi, a very happy birthday as he celebrates in Girard. A happy birthday and happy anniversary to all on this February the 24th. That's where you can send them in to birthdays@koamtv.com. You can also go to our website, koamnewsnow.com. Now, here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOA Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to koamnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOA Birthday Club today.